In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a guest user account in Windows 11. Fix Today here, let's begin. Start by opening the Start menu and click on Settings. Inside the Settings window, look to the left sidebar and select Accounts. Scroll down until you find Other Users, then click it to open the User Management section. Under Other Users, click the Add Account button. A Microsoft sign-in window will now appear asking for account details. Since we are creating a guest-style local account, click the option that says, I don't have this person's sign-in information. On the next screen, click Add a User without a Microsoft account. This allows you to create a local user account without needing an email address or Microsoft login. Now you'll be asked to create the account details. In the username field, type a simple name such as guest or visitor so it's easy to recognize later. If you want quick access without a password, leave the password fields blank. Once ready, click. Next, Windows will now create the new local user account. After the account is created, you'll return to the Other Users page, find the newly created account in the list, and click on its name. Select Change Account Type. Make sure the account type is set to Standard User. This is important because a Standard User account prevents guests from installing apps or making major system changes without administrator permission. Click OK to save the changes. Your guest style account is now ready to use. To switch into the new account, click the Start menu again. Select your current profile icon. From the list of accounts, click the new guest or visitor account. Windows will begin preparing the profile for first-time use. After a few moments, the guest account will load and can now be used safely without affecting your main account files and settings. And that's how you create a guest user account in Windows 11. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you on the next video.